Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to upgrade Fedora 42 to Fedora 43. Before upgrading, verify that your system runs Fedora 42 by checking the operating system field for Fedora Linux 42. Next, ensure your system is fully up to date and free of package issues. Resolving any problems before proceeding. Fedora offers an official plugin that simplifies the upgrade process. Install it with the following command. This plugin manages dependency resolution, downloads packages, and executes the upgrade. Then, download and prepare all packages needed for the Fedora 43 upgrade, and accept the Fedora 43 GPG key if prompted. Resolve any errors before continuing. Once the download completes, reboot your system to start the upgrade. During reboot, the system will enter the upgrade environment and begin installing Fedora 43 packages, which may take some time. After the upgrade completes, the system will reboot automatically. Verify that the upgrade succeeded by checking if the operating system field shows Fedora Linux 43. Note that Fedora removes some packages in each release. These remain installed but no longer receive updates. Use the following commands to remove retired packages. This step helps keep your system clean and secure.